These are humectants, like glycerin and sorbitol, essential ingredients that keep the toothpaste from drying out.
Fluoride rebuilds enamel, and its dosage is strictly regulated. This creates a daily chemical shield against decay.
As oxygen binds to the ingredients, it accelerates moisture loss, leading to degradation and cracking.
Whitening toothpastes only remove surface stains. As you can see here, the underlying enamel retains its natural hue.
Based on what we discussed, I recommend this fluoride toothpaste for enamel repair.
How long until I notice a difference?
You should start feeling relief within a couple of weeks.
Huh?
Our advanced systems use both laser and weight sensors to verify the fill level of every single tube in real time.
final review of the international safety standards. Everything checks out.
Perfect. Let's approve it.
The factory integrates advanced sustainability systems, featuring sophisticated water recycling and heat recovery units.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate your time and support. This video was completely prepared and recording using on camera. We will full effort to bring your original content. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like it and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.